I find it kind of weird that these features haven't been combined before to create one cohesive shopping experience to help just ordinary shoppers turn into customers. So let's dive right in. Traditionally, a wishlist, compare, and quick view would all be 3 separate plugins, but there's no reason why these should not work all together to achieve the ultimate goal of increasing sales and conversions. For instance, if someone wants to compare these 2 beanies, but they already have a hat in their wish list, they view this beanie, they get all the information, but they easily compare it to the item on their wish list. They don't want it, and they want to keep this one. It can easily be done. This will drastically increase the likelihood of a customer converting it either into their wish list or into their shopping cart and a purchase. Even if it's just in their wish list, we have a way to market them and help you convert that into a sale. Now, if they didn't purchase and they only added an item to the wish list, don't worry, we got you covered. We'll help you convert that into a sale. You can set up automatic email notifications to remind them that they have the items in the wish list, as well as send them coupons, back in stock notifications, and sales notifications. How you set that up is you just go over here to Otterwpp. First, we're going to go to the wishlist page, and you see cutoff for wishlist. You just need to set the amount of days, then make a template for it. We have a whole bunch of pre-made templates for you. We do more than just wishlist. We also do abandoned cart, buy again. Click on wishlist. Now we're just looking at the default templates for the wishlist. As you can see, we have a back in stock one. We have 3 different ones that are just for the wish list. So after 10 days and 1 hour, that one will get sent. 12 days, that one will get sent. 13 days, that one will get sent. And also a sales notification. So if we want to send a coupon to the last one to help encourage them to purchase, you can create one automatically within the email template. So as you can see, we have the template name, subject line, as well as what features it's enabled for. And here we can add a coupon code. You're going to want to tell them it's a coupon code. So this will then display the coupon code we're about to create. Simply say create coupon. You can do fix or percentage. Set an expiration date. So they have 10 days. You can even add they only have 10 days. Help encourage them to buy. You can even add free shipping in if you like, and change the timing that it sends it. Also recommend using the WooCommerce styling to make all your emails cohesive. Their code will be displayed there after this. We also added a checkout link. So they click this, all their items in their wish list will be in their checkout, and making it super simple for them to purchase. We can even squeak out more to help your conversion rate with an abandoned cart. This will help you convert anyone who has second thoughts, or their internet dropped out, or for whatever reason they couldn't go through with their purchase, to reach out to them and send them an email saying, we can help you, or even send them a coupon, same way we did with the wish list. Again, we just go over here to Otterwpp, abandonment settings, and set this to the amount of time in minutes. So basically after 1 hour, it's going to consider it abandoned, and then start sending them these emails, the abandoned cart. Again, we give you all defaults. The only thing you're going to have to go in is set the coupon amounts, or you can even create your own. As you can see, it's super simple and it's going to work all in the background. You won't even have to worry about it. Now we're going to turn these conversions into repeat customers. We're going to do that with the buy again notifications. This one works a little different, mainly because you want to have flexibility to the amount of time between notifications between products, especially if you're selling consumables or supplies. So how you do this is you go over here to products, you edit a product, and down here in the product data, see buy again timer. You can enable it and set however many days. Hit update. Then you're going to want to go back to Otterwpp, go into email templates, and go to abandon. Just like the wish list and the abandoned cart, you can set up your templates and add additional time to it to trigger at different moments. You can even send sales notifications and back in stocks notifications. And as well as in the template, it gives them a quick link to a checkout page, allowing them to quickly purchase that item again. Combining this all together will help you generate more sales, increase conversions, and this will all happen in the background after a few simple settings. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.